Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I am in Parkville, Missouri in search of some beautiful fall foliage. It's supposed to be really rainy the next week after today. This is probably going to be the end of the really good fall foliage. We're kind of near peak right now, I think. And then with all the rain and wind, it's going to be taken off the trees, unfortunately. There are two parks that I want to check out here in Parkville. First up, right now I am at the Parkville Nature Sanctuary and I'm on the waterfall trail. Hopefully it's running and I can see some water. I've never been to Parkville, never been to these parks before. But the next park I'm going to is English Landing Park, and I think it's supposed to have really good fall foliage. So we will see. In the meantime though, this trail is really gorgeous. There's so many yellow leaves and it's just really beautiful. Look at all the leaves falling down. It's so pretty. Okay, I feel like the orange doesn't really show up on the camera that well, but it is so beautiful. And all these leaves falling down, like I said, I'm obsessed. The Parkville Nature Sanctuary is 115 acres with about 3 miles of interconnected trails. They are easy and the views are beautiful. Okay, the waterfall isn't running super heavily, which I kind of thought would probably be the case because it hasn't been super rainy lately, but there is some coming down and it is really pretty, just gorgeous in here. I love it. It is so beautiful here. Okay, I've pretty much just been in this spot for a while taking photos, you know me, taking photos all the time. I unfortunately forgot to bring my wireless remote, so I was trying to take some selfies running back and forth, but it's like impossible to get it in focus, which sucks because now I probably won't have any good selfies from the trip. But this area, gorgeous. I'm gonna keep walking on this trail a little bit longer. I think this trail is 0.9 round trip. This is so beautiful. I know I'm gonna keep saying that over and over, but I love it. And again, I really wish I had brought my remote because some selfies in this light with these trees, that would look so beautiful. Also, if you can't tell by my sweaty face, it still definitely feels more like summer than fall. But c'est la vie, I guess. At least it's starting to look like fall. There's an old root cellar here that used to belong to Park University. I guess I'll go take a little look. I don't know if it's open. Oh, there's a door. Well, you can't see anything, but it's nice and cool down here. Free nature AC. Also, I went off on a different trail. I don't know if I'm on the Bluebird Trail or the Butterfly Pass or what, but I figured I'd stay a little longer. I saw the parking lot and I was like, I'll walk on the trails more. This park is gorgeous. I'm sure it's beautiful in spring too, and yeah, if you're in or near Parkville, I definitely suggest checking it out, especially in the fall. Okay, I think this is gonna lead me back up to the parking lot and then I'm gonna go over to English Landing Park. All right, I've made it to English Landing Park and it is beautiful and spacious. I'm gonna fly the drone, which I'm really excited about because it's hard to find places where you can fly drones. If you're ever unsure if you can fly a drone in a certain city park, I recommend just going to the city's website and emailing or calling like the Parks and Rec department or somewhere. There's like a contact us, and you'll hopefully get a reply back, but you definitely don't always get a reply. But this time it was a positive answer and I'm excited to fly. It is pretty windy though, so fingers crossed it's not too windy. Oh, I forgot to say too that the park is on the Missouri River. There it is over there. It's supposed to be really good fall foliage, so I'm excited to get some photos from the air. Look at this awesome tree carving. Oh my god, it's so intricate and it's just right out of a tree. Wow, so many details. English Landing Park is 68 acres with 3 miles of walking trails, a disc golf course, a playground, a sand volleyball court, a basketball court, tennis courts, and picnic tables. Okay, I keep getting a wind alert, so I think I'm gonna land for a little while and then maybe go back up when it gets closer to sunset. Okay, I'm gonna walk along the river a little bit and see if maybe the wind relaxes in the next 30 or so minutes. I want to take a moment and say thank you for watching this far into the video. Most people only watch like the first 30 seconds or so, which is really frustrating considering how much work I put into these videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe too. It's free and it really helps me out. Thank you. This park looks pretty cool. There's a lot of people running around on the trails, people playing disc golf. There's a really great looking playground, and of course the views of the water are really nice. Again, if you're in Parkville or near here, check it out. This is also a college town. I don't really know anything about Park University except for that one building over there looks really cool. I did end up sending the drone back up, so sit back and watch some chill drone footage. I had a great time flying the drone. The foliage with the setting golden light was really beautiful. You could even see the skyline of Kansas City way off in the distance, which was pretty cool. And even though it was kind of windy, it wasn't too bad flying and taking photos. Hopefully the photos turned out. Maybe I'll show some on the screen right now. But it was just a great spot for flying drones. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I definitely had a great time checking out these parks, and I want to come back to Parkville just to check out the city itself and some of the other parks and things to do here because it looks like a great town. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.